everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy English. We're so glad you could join us today. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. On this channel, we teach you natural, everyday English in a simple and practical way. So if you want to improve your English with us, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That really supports our work.
Today's topic is a bit different.
Yes, we're going to talk about how to express sad moments in English. It's perfectly normal to feel sad, and knowing how to put it into words is useful.
So, Marco, how are you doing today?
I'm doing quite well, actually. The weather's lovely, sunny, and bright. That always lifts my mood.
I know exactly what you mean. When I woke up and saw the sunshine, I felt instantly happier. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
I did. On Saturday, I met a friend for coffee. We chatted for 2 hours. Very relaxing. How about you?
That sounds nice. I took a long walk in the park. It was so calm and peaceful. I saw lots of dogs running and playing. I love watching them. They always make me smile.
They really do. There was one little dog chasing a big ball. So adorable. I couldn't stop laughing.
A walk in the park is a perfect way to unwind and enjoy nature.
It truly is. So your weekend was good too. Coffee with a friend is always pleasant.
Yes, it was great. Good coffee and good conversation. The best combination.
I agree. Spending time with people you care about is really important.
Absolutely. It adds sweetness and meaning to life.
Speaking of feelings, our main topic today is sad moments.
Right. It's not a happy subject, but it's an important one. Everyone feels sad sometimes, and that's okay.
Exactly. So Erica, when was the last time you felt a little sad?
Let me think. Actually, I felt a bit sad last week.
Oh, what happened?
I had planned to visit my family, but my brother got sick, so I couldn't go. I felt disappointed.
I understand. Feeling sad when plans change is completely normal.
Yes. How about you, Marco? When did you last feel sad?
Last week, actually. I had organized a picnic with my friends, and we were all really excited.
That sounds fun.
It did, but then it started raining. Not just a little, but very heavily.
Oh, no. So you couldn't go?
No, we had to cancel the whole picnic. I was really disappointed.
Anyone would feel sad about that.
I had been looking forward to it all week. I felt a little down.
I felt a little down is a great phrase. It means a bit sad.
Exactly. So I sat on my sofa and watched the rain through the window.
What did you do to feel better?
At first, I just stayed quiet for a while. Then I called a friend. We talked for about an hour, and that helped.
Talking to someone really can help. Sometimes when I feel sad, talking to a friend makes me feel lighter.
Really? You always seem so cheerful.
Well, everyone has sad days now and then. For example, last month, I lost my favorite book.
That's too bad. Was it a good book?
Yes, it was a wonderful book, and a gift from my grandmother, so I was very upset.
Upset is another word for sad, but stronger, right?
Exactly. I looked for that book everywhere. In my room, the kitchen, even inside my bag.
Did you find it?
Yes, after 2 days, I found it under my bed. I was so relieved.
I'm glad you found it. It's interesting how small things can make us sad, and finding them again makes us happy.
Yes, but sometimes sadness comes from bigger things, like missing family.
Oh, I know that feeling. My family lives in another city. Do you miss yours?
I miss them a lot, especially on holidays. Last Christmas, I couldn't visit them. I felt very lonely.
I'm sorry to hear that. Loneliness is a hard emotion.
It is. I allowed myself to feel sorry for myself for a little while.
That's okay. Sometimes it's fine to feel sorry for yourself.
Then I decided to call my parents. We had a long video call. It wasn't the same as being there, but it was nice. It made me feel closer to them.
Technology is great for that. So you felt lonely, but after talking, you felt better.
Yes, exactly.
The feeling didn't disappear completely, but it became smaller.
Have you ever felt sad because of a movie or a story?
Oh, all the time. I'm very emotional when watching movies.
Me too. What kind of movies make you sad?
Sad stories about animals or friendship. Last month, I watched a film about a dog and his owner. It was so sad, I almost cried.
You almost cried? It must have been very moving.
It was. My eyes got watery, but it was a good story.
Sometimes a good cry can make you feel better.
True.
So, Erica, what do you usually do when you feel sad? Do you have a special way to cheer up?
Good question. I have a few things. First, I like to listen to music, happy or sad, depending on my mood. Sometimes I listen to sad songs to really feel my emotions, and then I switch to upbeat music to lift my spirits.
That's interesting. I also listen to sad songs when I'm sad. It makes me feel understood.
Yes, exactly. Another thing I do is talk to a friend, like you did. Talking is so important.
It is. And sometimes if I'm upset, I write in my journal.
A journal, like a diary?
Yes, I write down my feelings. It helps me understand why I'm sad.
That's a great idea. I've never tried it. Maybe I should.
You should. It's very helpful. You can write in simple English. It's also good practice for learning the language.
That's true. We're doing two things at once, learning English and feeling better.
Exactly. Other things I like are drinking a warm cup of tea or sometimes just getting a good long sleep.
Sleep is a great doctor for many problems.
Yes, but the most important thing is to be kind to yourself. It's okay to have a bad day. Don't be too hard on yourself.
So let's think of some simple sentences people can use. For example, to tell someone you're sad, you can say, "I'm feeling a bit sad today."
I'm feeling a bit sad today. Simple and clear. Or, I'm not feeling very happy.
That works too. If something bad happened, you can say, "I had a bad day."
Everyone understands that. Or, I'm upset about something. Then your friend might ask, "What's wrong?"
And you can explain, like, "I'm worried about my test," or "I had a disagreement with my friend."
A disagreement, a small argument, that can make you feel sad for sure.
Another reason for sadness is missing someone. You can say, "I miss my family," or "I feel homesick."
Homesick is a great word. Feeling sad because you're away from home. Many students feel that way. It's very normal.
Absolutely. And what can you say to a friend who is sad?
That's important too. You can say, "I'm sorry to hear that," or "Is there anything I can do to help?"
Or, "Do you want to talk about it?" Just asking that question is already a big help.
So we have many words for sadness. Sad, down, upset, disappointed, lonely, and many ways to talk about it. It's not so scary.
Right. It's a normal part of life.
Can you tell me about a time you comforted a friend?
Sure. My friend Anna was very upset last month. Her pet cat was sick.
Oh, that is sad. What did you do?
I sat with her and let her talk. She cried a little, and I just listened. Then I made her a cup of tea.
That was very kind. Sometimes the best thing is just to be there.
Yes. I didn't try to fix anything. I just stayed with her.
That reminds me, do you think men and women express sadness differently?
That's a deep question. I think everyone feels sadness in their own way, but sometimes people think men shouldn't cry or be sad. That's a sad idea too.
It is. I think it's okay for everyone to feel sad. It's a human emotion.
I agree 100%. Crying isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you care about something.
Well said, Erica. So let's talk about the feeling after sadness. After you cry or talk to a friend, how do you feel?
I feel lighter, like a heavy weight has been lifted from my shoulders.
That's a perfect description. You feel relieved, like when you found your book.
Yes, the problem might still be there, but sharing it makes it easier to carry. So we shouldn't be afraid of sadness. It comes and then it goes.
Sadness is like a cloud in the sky.
It covers the sun for a while, but then the sun comes out again.
I like that. Sadness is temporary.
Yes. So for all our friends watching, if you feel sad today, it's okay. Your cloud will pass, and we are here for you. You can write your feelings in the comments if you want. We will read them.
That's a wonderful idea. This is a safe place to practice English for happy feelings and sad feelings.
So to summarize, we can say, I feel sad, I feel down, I'm upset, I'm disappointed, I feel lonely. And we can help a friend by saying, I'm sorry to hear that, or I'm here for you.
Perfect. Let's take a short break and go over the key words we used today.
Good idea. It helps to remember them. First, to feel down. That's a common phrase. It doesn't mean physically going down, but emotionally low. It's a mild, short-term sadness. For example, I felt down after the picnic was canceled.
Exactly. Let's practice. Everyone say with me, I feel a bit down today.
Good. Next word, upset. This is stronger. You feel sad and maybe a little angry or disturbed. If you get a bad grade on a test, you might be upset.
Or if someone says something unkind, it's a mix of sad and angry. Something feels wrong or unfair.
Now, disappointed. That's very specific. Sadness because something didn't meet your hopes or expectations. Like waiting for a package that doesn't arrive.
Or planning to see a friend and they cancel.
Lonely is different. It's feeling sad because you want company, even if you're not physically alone. You can feel lonely in a crowd if you don't feel connected.
Like I felt during the holidays without my family.
Exactly. Next phrase, to feel sorry for yourself. That means focusing on your own problems and feeling self-pity. It's okay for a short time, but not too long.
Finally, heartbroken. This is the strongest sadness when you lose someone or something extremely important, like a long relationship ends or a loved one passes away. It feels like your heart is breaking.
Right, not for small problems like losing a pencil.
Let's do a quick game. I'll give a situation, you pick the best word.
Sure.
Situation 1. Your favorite restaurant is closed today.
I would feel disappointed.
Correct. Situation 2. Your best friend moves to another country.
That's hard. I'd miss them. Feel lonely. Maybe a little heartbroken.
Very good. Situation 3. It's raining on your day off.
I'd feel a bit down.
Excellent. Last one. Someone breaks your new phone.
I'd feel very upset.
Perfect. So remember, little sad equals feel down. Sad plus angry equals upset. Sad because plans failed equals disappointed. Sad because you need company equals lonely. Thinking about your problems equals feel sorry for yourself. Strongest sadness, heartbroken.
Everyone, try making a sentence with one of these words and write it in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Absolutely. Learning these words helps us understand and talk about our feelings in English.
Well, we've covered a lot today. Time to wrap up.
I enjoyed this conversation, but you're right. So today's topic was how to talk about sad moments in English.
Feeling sad is normal. It happens to everyone. It's not bad. It shows that something matters to us, and it's healthy to talk about it.
We shared our own stories, your rainy picnic and lonely Christmas, my lost book and comforting friends. Sharing stories helps us feel less alone.
Let's review the key phrases. Erica, the first one.
The simple one. I'm feeling a bit sad today.
Or, I'm not feeling very happy. If something specific happened, I had a bad day, or I'm upset about something.
When plans don't work out, I'm disappointed. For missing people, I miss my family, or I feel lonely. And for very deep sadness, heartbroken.
And we also learned how to be a good friend. You can say, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it? Is there anything I can do? And the powerful phrase, I'm here for you.
For self-care, listen to music, talk to a friend, write in a journal, take a walk, get some sleep.
The key message is to be kind to yourself. Sadness will pass.
Sadness is like a cloud. The sun is always behind it.
Now for our favorite part, the question of the day.
Here it is. What is one small thing you do to feel better when you have a bad day?
Do you listen to a special song? Eat your favorite food? Call your mom? Watch a funny video? Or just drink water and breathe deeply? Every small action matters.
Please share your ideas in the comments. Your tip might help someone else who feels sad today.
Erica, we read every comment. We love seeing you practice English and support each other. This is a learning community.
If this lesson was helpful, please like the video. And to get more weekly lessons, subscribe and click the bell so you never miss one.
Our goal is to help you speak English with confidence. Thank you for spending your time with us today. And thank you for being brave enough to talk about your feelings.
You are all wonderful. Remember, your feelings matter, no matter what language you speak. Take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself.
We'll see you next time for another lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.